gosh, I'm so poor. Ugh, I'm just gonna go to Trading Hub to see if anybody's there. Oh my gosh, look at that guy. He's so rich. Oh my gosh. Hey, would you like to trade with me?
I would love to trade.
Okay, I would trade this squishy. I'm gonna trade this poppet.
Okay.
Wait. Actually, I'm gonna add this alien too.
Okay, I'll also add this.
Okay. So is that a good enough trade?
Take this away.
Oh, okay.
No, keep this.
Okay.
Would you do just this alien?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
I accept.
Okay.
Yay! What'd you say?
Want to trade again?
Yeah, of course. Okay, I guess I only have this, so. Okay.
I'll give you this.
Can you add one more thing, please?
I'll give you this. Too.
Okay, I accept.
Thanks. Do you want to trade one last time?
Sure, why not? Here, take your squishy.
Thanks. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay, anyways, let's trade.
Let's trade one last time.
Okay, I'll give you this. Add.
Okay.
Add. Okay, I'll add this. That's all I have.
Okay.
Here, you add one more thing. Add one more thing. Okay, accept.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, thanks for trading with me today.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.